Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to place the bracket orders on TradingView via Tradovate in 2026. So first of all, you need to simply open TradingView and then you just have to connect your Tradovate account with it. So once this is done, you need to make sure that you are on the correct live or the simulation account before placing any of the orders. Now over here you are going to see the buy and the sell buttons, but I want you to click on this trade button on the top right hand corner. Now when you click on the option of the trade button, you are going to see this type of section in front of you. Now over here you need to hover over to the orders and then you can basically start creating the new order. So you need to choose your order type such as the market order or the limit order, and then you need to simply enter the amount of contracts that you want to trade. So for example, let's say on the limit order I want to basically add 5 units, and here I want to make this. So before submitting the order, you need to also enable the take profit here and the stop loss options. So you need to simply turn the toggle button on, and after that you need to basically define what is your take profit and the stop loss going to be. Then you just have to simply click on the option of the buy and the sell button. Both exit orders will be submitted together as an OCO, which is one cancels the other bracket. If either of the stop loss or the take profit is filled, the other order is cancelled automatically. So after your trade is open, you can just simply drag the stop loss and the take profit lines directly on the chart, as you are going to see here on the top. So once the order is filled, you can basically adjust it as per your own needs, just like so. And this way you will be able to basically place the bracket orders on TradingView via Tradovate. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.